Greetings from Asktenali. Conference calls, meetings, they have to follow a certain etiquette. We will be looking at those etiquette. Sam is working as a manager. He has to attend a lot of conference calls. So what he should do and what he should not do. So if he has to conduct a conference call, he has to set the meeting in advance. So last minute rushes creates a lot of problems. So everything is planned out in advance and every information is communicated to the other participants. And he starts the meeting on time. Punctuality is very important because people might be waiting for the conference or the meeting to start. And it also shows professionalism. And greeting is obviously the first part. He has to greet everybody. He has to say hello, introduce if they are new. And since sometimes the visualization may not be there, then we assume that the other person knows our voice. Sorry. So we'll not assume that. So everyone of in the meeting introduces himself properly. Agenda. Now the agenda is worked in advance. So it's always better that the meeting sticks to the agenda. If new points are taken up, ensure those things are also communicated in advance that certain topics might be taken up. So the participants come and attend with full preparation. And we are all excited to speak, right? But the thing is, we have to wait for our turn. So there might be a temptation to start talking and, to show that you know certain aspects better. But things is best avoided. Follow the meeting etiquette. And once the meeting is over, close the meeting formally. Thank everybody for their time. So this is certain etiquette today which we have to follow. And today conference calls are part of everyday work because post-pandemic, many people have started working from home. So also conference calls today have become a norm. People communicate through this wherever they are. It also enables different people in different parts of the company, in different locations. They can also interact, share, and also attend the meetings and contribute effectively. So follow this etiquette and also ensure that whenever there is a conference call, these points are followed effectively so that the end result is successful. And we at Asktenali conduct number of seminars. Our details are available at www.asktenali.com. Thank you.